Hi, Mike from the Rural Montana family here. In this video, we're looking at how to pair your phone via Bluetooth to your Tesla. Let's go. So you gotta be in your car and you will have to have your cell phone with you. And so we'll go right up here on your touchscreen. There is this little Bluetooth icon. We'll tap on it and this menu here will pop up. And so before we add your device, be sure it's turned on and discoverable. So depending on your cell phone, you may have to turn it on, turn the Bluetooth on, and make sure it can be discovered by other devices. So in this case, we have no devices added yet. So if there would be already devices, you just click add new device. In this case, we just go for start search. And we gotta make sure your phone is discoverable. There it is, we tap on it. And then we get a code on both of them. So here on the phone, we get this code, we click pair. And then here, we gotta choose our options for this phone. So if you have this as a priority device, so that if you're the main driver on this car, and let's say your significant other gets in, and their phone is paired as well because sometimes they drive, now we gotta set the priority. So if you're the priority and you're in the car, it will always connect to your device. So we'll set that for me here. You can also sync the, gotta go reconnect here. And then your phone will ask if you're allowed to do so. Here we go. And then you can say if it should chime on a new message. So that is how you pair a phone. Now, if you would like to add devices, then you just press add device and you start your search again. And then you can add more devices to it. But currently we're here and we can go back in. If you need to change settings, you always just press the little Bluetooth icon up there. This menu will pop up. You can adjust settings for each phone that is paired to the car, or you can also forget a device. So if you get a new cell phone, you can forget the old one here and add your new one as a new device. Pretty simple. So adding a cell phone to your car or pairing a cell phone with your car is pretty simple. No big deal. Just make sure your phone is discoverable so the car can actually find it. The phone usually will also tell you what it will show up as, and then you just follow the steps. You will get this code. You will have to then allow the phone to pair with the device as long as they both show the same code. And then if you want to sync certain things like the messages, it will go through this additional step where you have to press the reconnect, which prompts another message on your phone where you have to allow again that it will sync the messages with your car, and then you're all set. All these steps are the same on the Tesla side, no matter what phone you use. It may be slightly different on your phone how to enable the Bluetooth or how to make the phone discoverable. But it's pretty simple and can be done in a couple minutes, real easy, no big deal. Well, make sure you give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.